equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Welcome to this detailed tutorial on replacing the panel and transistor in your Thermomix TM31. This process can seem daunting, but with the right tools and guidance, you can do it yourself. Let's get started. First, gather your tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of pliers, and a multimeter for testing. Ensure you have a clean workspace to keep your parts organized. Begin by unplugging your Thermomix TM31 from the power source. Safety is paramount, so make sure it's completely disconnected. Next, remove the base cover by unscrewing the screws located at the bottom. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the base cover is off, you will see the internal components. Carefully disconnect the wires connected to the panel. Take note of where each wire connects. You can use your phone to take pictures for reference. If you find this step challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation to help you out. Now, using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the panel. Gently lift the panel away from the unit. Be cautious not to damage any surrounding components. If you encounter any resistance, double-check for any screws you may have missed. With the panel removed, you can now access the transistor. It's usually located near the motor. Use your multimeter to test the transistor for functionality. If it's faulty, you'll need to replace it. To do this, unscrew the transistor from its mount and disconnect the wires. Again, take a moment to note where each wire connects. When you have the new transistor, connect it in the same manner as the old one. Secure it with screws and ensure all connections are tight. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your Thermomix. Next, it's time to reattach the panel. Align it carefully and secure it with screws. Reconnect the wires to the panel, ensuring they are in the correct positions as per your earlier notes or photos. Once everything is connected, double-check for any loose wires or screws. Before reassembling the base cover, it's a good idea to clean the internal components. Use a soft cloth to wipe away any dust or debris. This will help maintain the efficiency of your Thermomix. Finally, replace the base cover and secure it with the screws you set aside earlier. Plug your Thermomix back in and test it to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, remember we provide a quote before repair, so you can make an informed decision without any pressure. And there you have it. You've successfully replaced the panel and transistor in your Thermomix TM31. This maintenance will help extend the life of your appliance and keep it running smoothly for all your cooking needs. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.